My name is Ozair, and in today's YouTube live stream, I'm going to be talking about how to calculate your return on ad spend, which is called the ROAS. All right. So, ROAS is a very critical and important metric when it comes to running your Google ads. So when you spend $1 or pound or whichever currency you're spending, how many are you getting back? If you are getting more than one, that means potentially your campaign is profitable. If you're getting less than one, then you are making a loss. But it really depends on your funnel and how your customer lifetime value is, because you may make a loss at the front end, but the back end is where the profit is. First metric we look at is the average conversion value. Let's keep it simple. Let's say whenever somebody makes a purchase, our average order value is 100. Then what we want our ROAS to be, the desired ROAS. So we've got three columns here. One is for 6x, 3x, and 1x. So we're going to put in 6, 3, and 1. Now you can change these if you want. That's not a problem. And then you can work out your maximum profitable CPC bid. What bid is your maximum bid you can afford to give to Google or afford to pay Google to be profitable for your return on ad spend. From your data set, you will also have a conversion rate in your Google Ads account. 3% is the average right across the board. For branded campaigns, I'm going to keep it a bit high and see what happens. So I'm going to keep it 10%. And now we've got these numbers over here for the maximum CPC bids which we can afford to pay Google. The formula for these is your conversion average conversion value, which is 100, divided by your desired ROAS, which is 6, and you times it by 10. So you get a maximum. So the maximum bid you can afford to pay to achieve a 6x ROAS is $1.67. For 3x is the same thing. You get 3.33. And for 1x it is $10. So this is where you will need to bid so you can achieve these profitable ROAS. Now if I were to take the same figures, 100 will be the same. Well, let's say keeping all the conversion value the same. Desired ROAS would be 6, 3, and 1. Non-branded will usually be less. And now our ROAS profitable CPC goes right down to 50 cents, $1, and $3. So what this is showing you is you can afford to bid really high if you are trying to break even. And as your return on ad spend goes up, you cannot go as high on your bidding as possible. And what that will do is for your campaigns to be, you may not be very competitive in your bidding, and you may lose out in the auction. So you need to have this fine balance of your maximum or your profitable ROAS and a very competitive bid. You can't have both. You'll never have both.